is Zach Long. I'm with National Equipment Dealers in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm the general manager of Atlanta in the greater Atlanta area. Today we're on site with Andy Strange Grading in East Atlanta in Monroe. Andy Strange has recently purchased two HX300s and an HL940 from us and an HR70 compactor. Behind me you'll see an HX300 AL that we configured for a clearing application. We sent it to our Grimesland location prior to purchase and had cab guarding put on it to protect the upper structure of the unit. We installed a work brow main pan hydraulic thumb to go along with it. Andy is a friend of mine as well as a customer. We've been knowing each other for quite a while, and Andy has really been a huge part of helping us with our success in Atlanta. They came to me back about 2 months ago and they said, hey, we want to try a Hyundai product. We delivered a couple units and they fell in love with them. We've always had a strong foundation and support in the after sale aspect, which is important to these grading contractors. One of the main features that ASG has come to like is the fact that the machines are so customizable per each operator. It's important to be able to take the machines and manipulate the hydraulic system. Every operator likes something a little bit different, whether it's boom priority or, in a wheel loader's case, the ability to change the speeds of the functions, the cycle times, right down to operator comfort. The Hyundai cab boasts a large workspace, which is important to keep the operators comfortable. The more comfortable you keep an operator, the more productive that they are.
I'm Dave Frank. I am with Andy Strange Grading, and we are located out of Gainesville, Georgia. I'm a project manager with the company, and we're currently out here in Jefferson, Georgia, working on a 135 lot, I believe it is, subdivision. We don't have that much dirt to move, but we've got a lot of utilities to install. This site was fully wooded, except for a couple of chicken coops that were down here in the bottom, and we demoed those out. We specialize in demolition, we specialize in grading. Any sort of utilities that need to be installed, we can do that for you. We do a lot of sanitary sewer outfall lines and a lot of outfall clearing lines. We also specialize in forestry, and we also have dumpsters and a full welding shop at our office in Gainesville. I've been in this business since 1996, and I came into this business because I was interested in running an off-road truck or an excavator. I thought it was the coolest thing in the world. I graduated from UGA in 1994 and got a degree in construction management, and just followed in the footsteps of my dad and followed in the footsteps of people that were my mentors at the time. We recently purchased a loader, a roller, and two excavators from NED. Excellent machines, Hyundais. They have the Cummins engines in them, which is what the best part of it is. They're also very friendly, easy to work with, user-friendly to work with, and we certainly enjoy them and look forward to many years of using Hyundai. The power of this particular machine right here, this HL940, I have actually had a 740 before, and this machine right here will run circles around that 740. Very powerful machine, very user-friendly. It's got an awesome cab on the inside, and the maintenance on them are 0 to 0. There's really no maintenance on them besides the regular PMs. The two Hyundai excavators we bought, the HX300s, one was specifically outfitted for land clearing. It has the cages on it. And then we have another HX300 that we set up for the pipe crew that has a standard bucket on it for, I think it's a 36-inch bucket that's on that one. And we're currently using it to actually dig some rock up in Ellijay, Georgia right now. But we will be using it for the pipe crew eventually. Some of the most important things about acquiring new equipment is availability is number one, and durability is number two. I would say that and the price, obviously, that comes into those three factors.
My name is Salazar, and I've been with Andy Strange Grading for about 3 years now. I have about 6 months of experience in project managing, and I'm currently a project manager for the company. I'm also an estimator. One of the best things that I've loved about project managing is getting to see a project come to life. And we're actually at a job site here called Redbird Manor in Jefferson, Georgia. It's a pretty big job site. As you can see here, we have the tire loader right behind us, and I actually got to drive it for the first time a few months ago, and it was actually my first time driving any kind of equipment. It was great because I learned how to operate for the first time, and what I loved about this Hyundai tire loader was that it was very easy to use, very comfortable to use, and very user-friendly, which I enjoyed a lot. One of the biggest challenges about completing a project of this size, of this magnitude, is just, I think one of the biggest things is time management. One of our biggest challenges is obviously having a time frame to get things done, get things completed. And we've had to face a lot of challenges, things with weather and just unforeseen changes that one doesn't expect when doing jobs of this magnitude. But definitely have enjoyed being able to approach those challenges and just, kind of take it day by day and make sure the job gets done. One of the best things about having partners like NED is obviously having equipment that's always available, having equipment that's very reliable, and having equipment that we can use on a day-to-day basis without any worry of having any type of malfunctions or just having any, basically any delays, which is why we love having NED as one of our partners and machine and equipment suppliers, because again, it's just having that backbone that we can have as good equipment that allows us to complete the work that we need to complete.
The main key in purchasing Hyundai equipment from NED is we have a strong foundation with 18 locations throughout the southeastern U.S. We have the ability of supporting them. We have 4 locations throughout Georgia. We have one in Dallas, which is west of Atlanta, 30 miles west of Atlanta. We have Macon, which is south of Atlanta. We have Douglas, and then we have Savannah. A few of the manufacturers that we represent here in Georgia are Bell Trucks, Hyundai Construction Equipment, Manitou North America, Sakai Compaction Equipment. Our ability to support the end users comes from the fact that we're constantly adding new field service technicians, new shop technicians. We're advancing technologies in our diagnostic abilities, warehousing of parts, and dispatching. And we have strong financial support as NED to be able to go above and beyond for the customer and do what it takes. For more information, feel free to reach out to your local branch or log on to our website at www.neddealers.com.